With Resort TV1, and today we are at the Animal Kingdom Lodge and we're eating at Boma, one of my favorite restaurants for breakfast, so I'm super excited. Hope you guys enjoy the video. So Boma's is my absolute favorite for breakfast. It's a really neat seating area. It's a really big place. And there's tons and tons of food. Hey guys, check out my plate. Scrambled eggs, bacon, pancakes, sausage, and my favorite, the bread pudding. I think it's French toast bread pudding. So good. This is my favorite. Can't wait. So we're here with Rachel and Emily and Brian. And Peter was here, but he had to go get another plate.
Well, hello.
Peter's back with food.
Yes.
Check it out.
Making my own creation.
Ooh, look at that.
So, yeah, at buffets I spend most of my time getting the food, and only like a 10% of the time eating the food.
Oh, okay. Well, you know. Perfect. That looks good.
Yeah.
And then
I'm creating what I got at the thing at Woody's Lunchbox.
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
That was good. And I think this is Jamba Juice. Is that what this is called? It's good. I highly recommend it. Love all the food here for breakfast. I've never been here for dinner. I'd like to try that sometime, but breakfast is really good. 2 thumbs up. So definitely leave me a comment if you've been here before. Let me know if you liked it, what you thought about it, and give us a thumbs up if you liked this video. Definitely subscribe if you haven't, and check out our sponsors, MickeyBlog.com and MickeyTravels.com for the best in free Disney planning advice. And also WindowRepairParts.us, and use the coupon code RESORTTV1 for 20% off your purchase. And MainStreetDVCResale.com. See how easy it is to sell your DVC commission-free. So for now, have a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Now that you've finished watching this video, be sure that you're subscribed so that you can get all of the latest updates. Also, check out some other great videos on our channel. Have a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. Bye-bye.